If you're dealing with rough, uneven concrete and need a reliable way to smooth it out, you know how frustrating it can be to find the right tool. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, KSEIBI 711985, Concrete Grinder. Let's jump right into the KSEIBI 711985. Priced at about $218, this grinder caught my eye because of its powerful 2400W motor and impressive 6,000 RPM speed. If you want a solid tool for grinding concrete without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2400W motor delivers high efficiency, which means you can tackle tough concrete tasks quickly. With a manual rating of 6,000 RPM, you can smooth out surfaces in no time. Plus, it includes a dust extraction shroud that minimizes mess, something you'll definitely appreciate if you're working indoors. And with over 100 units sold in the past month alone, it's clear that many others find it valuable too. Now, some people complained about the weight of this grinder. Here's the thing though, while it is on the heavier side, the performance you get really balances that out. If you're just a home DIYer, you might find it a bit cumbersome, but for professionals, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor looking for reliable performance without the premium price tag. Skip this one if you're only doing small home projects and need something lightweight. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the weight of the KSEIBI bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design.
Product number 2, the DeWalt Concrete Surface Grinder Kit, which comes in at around $399. I was drawn to its brushless motor and safety features. If you're looking for a grinder that prioritizes both performance and safety, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters. The brushless motor means you won't have to deal with the hassle of changing brushes, saving you time and effort. It also features an electronic kickback brake, which quickly stops the wheel during a bind-up, which is a game changer for preventing accidents. The variable speed functionality allows you to adjust the wheel speed, making it adaptable for different applications. Users appreciate this flexibility, as it has garnered numerous positive reviews for its safety features and efficiency. However, some users found it to be a bit pricey compared to other options. I'll be real with you, while it is an investment, the safety features and durability potentially make it worth every penny for serious users. This is perfect for you if you're a professional contractor who values safety and efficiency. Skip this one if you're a casual DIYer looking for something more budget-friendly. Honestly, you're paying for peace of mind here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who prefer a wet polishing approach. Product number 3, the Vevor Wet Polisher. A sleek, compact machine that caught my attention with its versatility. If you're looking to polish rather than grind, this one's a gem worth checking out. Here's why this matters. The Vevor boasts 6 variable speeds from 700 to 3000 RPM, making it ideal for different materials like marble and granite. The included polishing kits cover a wide range of grits, meaning you can go from heavy-duty rust removal to fine polishing without needing extra purchases. Plus, the GFCI switch enhances safety against electrical shocks, which is crucial when using water. Now, some users mention that it can be a little underpowered for heavy-duty grinding tasks. But here's the thing. If your main goal is polishing or light grinding, this will perform beautifully without the hassle of a more robust machine. This is perfect for you if you're working with delicate materials that need a fine touch. Skip this one if you need something for heavy grinding tasks. It's simply not designed for that. For the price, it's a killer deal for the polishing it offers. Now, if you want something with a bit more power for larger jobs, the next product really steps it up. Product number 4. Margar Concrete Grinder Machine. The Margar Electric Diamond Polisher, retailing for about $285.99. I was impressed by its telescopic rod and the ability to switch between upright and handheld modes. if you want comfort during long grinding sessions, this one's a must-see. Here's why this matters. The telescopic rod lets you grind without bending over, which reduces back strain, something you'll appreciate if you've got a big job to tackle. With a powerful 3800W motor and 6-speed control, it allows you to adapt to various materials efficiently. Plus, it has a removable protective cover for added safety and is compatible with a vacuum for dust control, ensuring your workspace remains clean. However, there's a catch. Some users found the instructions a bit lacking. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the performance is worth the initial confusion. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a grinder that's comfortable for extended use. Skip this one if you need straightforward instructions out of the box. It might take a moment to figure out. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Lastly, if you're looking for maximum efficiency with less fatigue, the final product really takes the cake. Product number 5, the DMZ SMD 4-head concrete grinder, priced at about $329.99. This caught my eye with its impressive 300% efficiency increase and 0 dead ends in grinding. If you want a high-performance machine that can tackle large areas quickly, keep watching. Here's why this matters. Equipped with 4 4-inch diamond grinding discs, this grinder maximizes your grinding area, which means you can finish jobs faster without the need for manual touch-ups. The 3800W motor and 6-speed control allow for precise adjustments, making it suitable for everything from wall polishing to heavy concrete grinding. The dust-proof design is another big plus, ensuring a cleaner workspace. However, some might find it a bit bulky to transport, but in my opinion, the efficiency it offers outweighs the convenience of portability, especially for those who need a powerful grinder. This is perfect for you if you have large areas to cover and want a quick, efficient tool. Skip this one if you're looking for something portable for smaller jobs. For the performance and efficiency, it's a great value. Quickly comparing all 5, the KSEIBI is your best bet for budget buyers. The DeWalt shines in safety features, the Vevor is excellent for polishing, the Marger offers comfort, and the DMZ SMOD is unbeatable for efficiency. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DMZ SMOD 4-head concrete grinder because of its outstanding performance for larger jobs. Avoid the Vevor if you need heavy grinding, it's just not built for it.